So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask. So once the MetaMask app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left to where it says home. Now on the home page where it says buy, swap, send, receive, I want you to go ahead and press on buy and then press on buy crypto with cash. Once you're on this page right here, you can select your token. Now, in this case, you want to buy Ethereum. So what I would do actually here is where it says Ethereum at the top. So all Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. I want you to press on Ethereum so you guys can see a bunch of different Ethereum that you can buy here. So if you find one that you're looking to buy, for example, we're going to go ahead and just press on Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH. Once you're on this page, you can select how much Ethereum you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $80 worth, for an example, you'd press on 80. And right below that, you can select how you're actually going to buy this. So if you wanted to do this through Apple Pay, you can do that. If you wanted to do this through through debit or credit, you can do that as well. And if all looks good to you, you want to proceed. So I'll select Apple Pay, press continue. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and enter your basic information to verify your identity, and if all looks good, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed this way with the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.